Hello, my name is Angel Olivera. I'm the owner and manager at Olivera Pools. We're located in San Jose, California. The services we provide here at Olivera Pools is new construction, renovation, new decking such as pavers or concrete, retaining walls, outdoor kitchens and fire pit, anything related to your pool landscaping. Olivera Pools was established in 2018 by a father and son operation. We run a crew of 6. We have 2 trucks, utility trucks. We have the equipment to construct a new swimming pool, such as excavators and track loaders. At this specific project, the homeowners were pretty satisfied because before they had a drainage issue with this backyard, also elevation issues. So we came in and did 3 different elevations for this complete backyard. We also created a drainage system to prevent any schooling of water. They were also satisfied because we completed the project within 4 months, and it was a lot of work, right? From chipping out the old pool, applying new material, doing the hardscape, doing retaining walls, French drain, new equipment, new plumbing, new conduit, outdoor kitchen, turf, and also the footings for the house. Whenever you're in the need of a new pool or new renovation, call us. We're here to help you. We can do anything from a small new tile, new finish, to a complete backyard renovation, retaining walls, new constructions. Anything that you need, we'll get it done for you. We service from Murray Hill, Gilroy, all the way up to Danville, also San Mateo, the complete Bay Area. We're a family-operated business, and you will be completely satisfied with our services.